I guess I'll call this the April Fool's Day blizzard of 2023. That tree had no snow on it about 12 hours ago. This driveway is completely, wow. So, looking at the snow depths here, that's 11 inches, let's just say. This is going to be some drifting here, but wow, so that's 10. I don't know if that's a drift or not. Checking out the snow depths in the driveway here. It's actually quite a substantial snowstorm. All right, slightly unscientific here, but I don't know what the a slightly unscientific way of measuring the snow here. It probably stopped snowing 2 or 3 hours ago, so the snow may have settled some, but looks like 10 inches is kind of a pretty close to 10 inches is a solid measurement for non-drift areas in the driveway. Well, let's go 9, or that's kind of 8. So quite a load at the end of the driveway. I'm gonna have to get that snow blowed to get out of the driveway. That's probably 3 feet of snow here at the end of the driveway. Wow, that's a lot. All right, well, I got a big snow cleanup project. Enough of the documentation. So I'm measuring the depth of the snow here at the end of the driveway. It looks to be 2 feet with the lumps, top of the lumps there, because I'll pull out my little carpenter square. It's 2 feet here, so an impressive amount of snow. Whew! Yiddy yiddy.